Hi guys, how you doing? I know we're going through a really difficult time at the minute, but you got to take some sort of solace in the fact we're all in this together. Just be safe, look out for each other, take all the advice on board, stay at home, do all that stuff. I'm trying to keep myself sane, so I've decided to collaborate with as many friends as possible from across the globe, and we'll be releasing new music on here, cover songs, original songs, jam sessions, things like that. So if you like music, please stick around and look at my videos. Anyway, you're not here for that. The reason why you're here is to learn how to make swipeable photographs on Instagram very quickly, very, very simply. Now, I've done this for a while with different shots, and I've always used this, and I've always used Photoshop. However, all you need now is this. I'm using an iPhone. I'm not sure if this is available for Android, but you can try and check it out. Now, I want you to go to the App Store, type in Gbox. I already have it, obviously. Once you've downloaded it, open it. There's a lot of cool things on here, so have a mess around with it. Look at all the other tools, because they're really good. I'm not being sponsored by them, by the way, at all, but I just found this. I think it's a very simple way of doing this. You want to go and swipe photo, upload photo. Now, I think this works well for a number of different things. However, we'll use two examples of things which I think specifically work very well. First one is a portrait. So this is a picture of my dad. The second that I click on it, as you'll see, it gives me options of 1, 2, and 3. Now it's completely up to you. 3 can look quite cool. Once you're in this screen, you can move the photograph to center it exactly as you want, which would be there. I actually, for this type of thing, for a portrait, I think it looks better down the middle. So we're gonna go down the middle, click done, post on Instagram, then like you would normally press plus to add a photograph, it's there. It saves it in your camera roll, so you always have it. There's no logos or any of this stuff on it. Now, you wanna remember that the furthest one in your timeline is actually the first one, if that makes sense. And the bottom left-hand corner will give you the opportunity to fit more or less on the screen. For this, I quite like it like that. So you press the bottom right-hand corner to allow you to choose more than one photograph at the same time. Click, and there it is. It's already there. You can obviously edit it, do whatever you want to do. If you want to have different color tones for each side, which looks quite cool sometimes. So you could have an orange there and a blue there or something like that. Click next, and then I will just say Dad's face because it's Dad's face. Hi Dad, share. A couple of seconds later, and there it is. And now, look how simple that is. And now we have a swipeable up-close photograph that can fill the entire screen, and it looks beautiful. One more example I'll do for you. Here is more of a landscape type thing. So I'll go for 3. Crop-wise, it's not perfect, but for the sake of example, we'll do that. So we get the boat at the bottom, click done, post on Instagram, add, they're there. Once again, bottom left-hand corner. Make sure you press that, it will fit more on. 1, 2, 3. Next, and there you go. It's actually fitted on more than I thought it would fit on. And on Instagram, it looks like this. So you've got a beautiful panoramic shot. So there you go, guys. Very, very simple, very effective. Shout out to the guys who made the program at Gbox, and I hope that helps your creativity. If you're bored, stuck inside, as we all are, and maybe you're going through photographs, maybe you're trying to do something, lovely little trick that you have on your phone that you can upload in a different way. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. Keep your eyes out for more videos, music, more editing tips, stuff like that. Big shout out to all the medical workers all over the world who are dealing with, I can't even imagine. It puts everything into perspective. Just try and make the most of this situation, everybody. Have a good day, have a cup of coffee, and yeah, see you later.